In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move items to groups with automations in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a simple rule that moves an item to a specific group automatically when its status changes, so your board stays organized without manual dragging. Start by opening your workspace and navigating to the board where you want this to happen. In Monday.com, items are your rows, and groups are the colored sections that hold those items. We'll build a small automation that reacts to a change in a status column and then moves the item into the right group. At the top of your board, click Automate to open the Automation Center. This is where you create recipes that say, "When this happens, do that." Next, select Create Automation to start building a custom rule. You'll see a sentence style builder. Click the part that says, "When this happens," to choose the trigger. From the trigger options, select Status Changes to Something. This tells Monday.com to watch for a change in a status column to a specific value you'll define. Now add the action. Click the part that lets you choose what happens next and pick Move Item to Group. Your recipe now reads like a sentence. When a status changes to something, move the item to a group. We'll fill in the blanks next. Click on Status to choose which status column should drive this rule. In the column picker, select the column named Status, so the automation knows exactly which field to monitor. Then click the placeholder labeled something to set the specific status value that should trigger the move. This could be Done, Completed, Ready for Review, or any label your team uses. Choose the value that makes sense for your workflow. Then click Done to confirm the trigger condition. Now choose the destination. Click on Group to open your list of groups and select Completed as the target group. This ensures that whenever the status matches your chosen value, the item will be moved right into the completed group. To finish, click Create Automation to save and turn it on. From now on, when you update that item's status to the value you selected, Monday.com will automatically move it into the completed group, keeping your board tidy and your process consistent. A quick tip as you use this: make sure the status labels on your board are clear and consistent so the automation fires exactly when you expect. And if your process evolves, you can return to Automate at any time to adjust the trigger value or pick a different destination group. That's it. You've set up a